Hi everyone. Today we're going to know some tricks about Windows 10. So first, let's start by the most important one, which is the storage trick. I guess every one of us wants his computer or laptop always fast and smooth as possible. So we just go here, settings, system, and as you can see here, we select storage. Here is the new outline of the storage capacity of Windows 10. Local disk C is where the Windows is being installed. 131 is the total gigabyte of the partition C, and here shows you the categories of things that consume your storage. Okay, just we go here and press configure storage sense. As you can see, storage sense is off, turned off. So we just turn it on here. Automatically, when you are low on space, you clean up your vitals within the past month. During every month, weekday, you can choose what suits you the most. Even though, make sure that this one is marked here. As you can see, temporary files being deleted that aren't using in the recycling. So just make sure that the 30 days for clean one, you choose what suits you the most. And okay, here we finish our first trick. Let's check the second one. For example, if you are just a person who collects data using screenshots, print screen of the laptop, for example, I need to screenshot this pic. It will take a lot of time if you just print screening, then going to paste and paint and all of it. The trick is that just the search bar, search on snipping tool. As you can see, very easy way just to print screen or screenshot your screen or a certain part. Press here. Okay, as you can see here, we select the part that we need to screenshot. Here it goes. Right click, copy. You can copy where you and paste where you want. Save it as or send to email recipient. As you can see. Okay, we know we want it more things. Okay, we go then to the third trick, and which is very important. As I can see, any one of us can find his laptop keyboard or PC keyboard fail suddenly. So you are just sitting like crap. I can't do my assignment. I can't do my work, my job. Just go there and show touch keyboard button. Just make sure it is ticked here. So for example, if it's not there, just right click, go there, press on it, and here you can find it. As you can see, the keyboard is here. Letter keyboard, here are the numbers, letters, and of course one of the most important things is the emojis present. I guess all of us use now in our lives. Emails, Instagram captions, Facebook posts, anything. So it's really very useful. I just always leave it here. It remains here easy. Our last trick, which is really very important, lock screen trick. Lock screen, and this comes by pressing the Windows button plus letter L. Okay, let's try it with you here. Windows button with L. Here it goes. We lock the screen directly, and this is very useful when you just need to lock your laptop screen so nobody can access the files or tabs you are opening recently. So it's really very useful in your job area or even in your home if any kids or small people are around you. So hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you like and subscribe our video and check other videos on our page. Thank you.